Have you ever felt so broken that even breathing seemed heavy? I know that feeling, when your heart feels like shattered glass and every piece cuts deeper with each passing moment. Sometimes life hits us with pain so intense that words can't even begin to describe it. You lie awake at night, surrounded by a deafening silence, tears refusing to fall because they've run dry. The weight of loneliness becomes your constant companion, and you wonder if anyone truly understands. It's exhausting, isn't it? Carrying around a smile while your soul screams in agony. But then, in those darkest moments, something extraordinary happens. A gentle whisper, soft as a morning breeze, touches your soul. Never stop talking to me. It's not an audible voice, but something deeper, more profound. God doesn't just hear our words. He feels our sighs, understands our silence, and catches every tear before it falls. You see, prayer isn't just about folding your hands and reciting memorized words. It's about finding a sacred space where you can be completely vulnerable, where you can pour out your heart without fear of judgment. It's like having a conversation with someone who already knows what you're going to say but wants to hear it from you anyway. As days turn into weeks, something begins to shift. Those moments spent in prayer become your sanctuary. The wounds that seemed impossible to heal start to close, not all at once, but gradually, like dawn breaking after a long night. The empty spaces in your heart begin to fill with something new, hope. I've witnessed this transformation firsthand. It's like watching a wilted flower slowly come back to life. The pain doesn't disappear overnight, but it changes. It becomes less sharp, less consuming. In its place, a peace emerges. Not the fragile kind that breaks at the slightest touch, but a deep, unshakable peace that anchors your soul. This journey teaches us something profound. Prayer isn't just a lifeline for emergencies. Prayer's not just about crying out when we're hurting. It's about building a relationship, a constant connection with someone who loves us unconditionally. It's about finding strength not just to survive, but to thrive. So here's my invitation to you. Don't wait for your heart to break before you reach out to God. Whether you're standing in sunshine or walking through shadows, He's there. Today, right now, take that step. Share your burden, the heavy ones and the light ones. Let His peace fill every corner of your heart. Remember, the most beautiful gardens often grow in places where the ground was once broken. Your pain might be real, but His peace is more real. It's waiting for you, just a prayer away. Take a deep breath, close your eyes, and just talk to Him. He's listening, always has been, always will be.